There are some habits pregnant women forge for themselves. Like it wasn't part of you before, but because you were pregnant, you now started doing things and taking things in that you shouldn't have normally taken. And some people will call it craving. Do you know that you can suppress that craving? You can suppress it according to them. They said it's hormones. Like while I was pregnant, I was craving anything ice, like block. I would be breaking it without knowing that it was actually hurting me and hurting my pregnancy. So in this video, the aim of it is to tell you some everyday habits and things you should not take in, especially if you are in your first trimester, as it might put a threat to you and your baby. So stay tuned if you are a pregnant lady and watch. Hi parents and caregivers, hi expectant mothers, pregnant women. My name is Okereke Chidinma Godson Kadiri. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, and in this channel, I teach a lot about pregnancy tips, baby care tips, newborn care. I teach a lot about postpartum recovery. So if you are a new mom, if you are a pregnant mom, if you are an expectant dad or a caregiver, why don't you subscribe to this channel? And I teach a lot of helpful videos that can help you make your motherhood journey very, very smooth. Why don't you clock in and let us make motherhood very good and joyful together. Thank you. So let us quickly go to the main topic of the day. Number one, if you are familiar or you are taking too much caffeinated drinks, and I'm also talking about coffee, I'm talking about your soda drink. I'm not going to call any company, but if you are, because you are pregnant, you have been craving more than usual, it is not good, because most of these either coffee or soda drinks, they might contain too much caffeine, and this caffeine can cause you low birth weight, or if you're in your first trimester and your blood is not even strong, you might what miscarry. It might cause you what have miscarriage. You might just notice some bleeding, and that is it. So if you have been taking too much caffeine and you are in your first trimester, especially in your early stage of pregnancy, please avoid it, because as it is recognized and it is written by some doctors, doctorly advice that you are not supposed to take more than 200 milligram of what that particular soda or coffee in a day. So pregnant ladies, please avoid caffeinated drinks, or what, take it what in moderation. Everything should be what taken in moderation. Thank you. Number two, if you are the hungry type of pregnant women and you have been running to the kitchen, or you just make fast food immediately, and you start to eat it, I'm very sorry for you, because you might be taking in some kind of bacteria that you do not know. If you are hungry, please try to take something that can suppress your appetite, because if you want to cook your food, make sure they are well cooked, especially your meat. Yes, so make sure they are well cooked. Cook your meat very well, because undercooked meat and eggs can cause a lot of things for you. You might just be taking in a lot of bacteria that can harm what, that your little one that you do not know. There is no amount of alcohol that is good during pregnancy. Yes, I'm going to tell you the truth. No amount of alcohol, not even palm wine. Eh? Not even palm wine is good what during pregnancy. Avoid alcohol completely. Avoid it. There are more studies that are going on and on and on about taking alcohol in early pregnancy, even during pregnancy as a whole. It might affect your baby's system, it might affect your baby's brain. Even before you give birth to them, your baby might start having what, some health issues, which is not good for you. It is not good for you, it is not good for your baby. So in anything you are doing, avoid alcohol what totally if you are pregnant. This one is for people that are what, staying close to the fire or being around where smoke is. If you are pregnant, please avoid smoke. Avoid anything smoke. It can reduce what, the rate of oxygen in your baby's body in your pregnancy, and once it's reduced, your baby might become forced to come out prematurely. Too much smoke can what, cause reduction in oxygen and causing what, preterm labor, and your baby will what, come out without what, carrying it to full term. So if you're a pregnant lady, please do well as much as possible. Avoid smoking, or what, do not even stay around somebody that smokes. Or if your area has this and is this smoky area, please avoid it. Now, I know I'm not a doctor, I'm not a midwife, or I'm not a nurse, but please and please Whatsoever your doctor do not prescribe for you, do not take it. Yes, if you're pregnant, do not take whatsoever they have not what prescribed for you. Do not go and get advice from maybe because she's elderly now. I want to hear from her, and I just took it. She told me it's good. It's herbal. Please avoid it too. Avoid medications that are not fully and probably diagnosed for you. Do not what take it. Please avoid it as a pregnant. It might cause you harm, and it might cause unrepairable harm for life, because pregnancy is a very delicate stage in a woman's life. Take care of yourself, take care of your babies. Don't overheat yourself. Hey, some people, if they want to bathe with water, even the water they are using to remove feathers from cocks or turkey is even cold compared to what they are. Yeah, as a pregnant, if you are pregnant, avoid it. Do not overheat your body. While I was even pregnant, I couldn't use anything hot. The moment I pour hot water on my body will just start to be itching me. It will start to be itching me. So I don't know how you people use hot water to bathe while you are already feeling heat and you are pregnant. Please avoid it. Take it. Make, if you must use hot water or if you must use something, please let it be warm. Let it be warm. Last but not the least, this particular one could have come first, but I say let me make it the last. Please make sure you take time to rest. Especially in the early stage of pregnancy, it is very, very, very paramount. It is important for you. It is important for the foundation and development of your baby. Take time to rest. Take simple massages. Massage your feet. Rest. Because as much as you might feel that you are strong and you are okay, you might be hurting yourself that you don't know. One day you will just pass out or collapse. That is it. Your baby is developing and is using a lot of things that belong to you, things that you have been the only one using it. Your baby is now sharing it with you, so you need what? Rest. Maximum rest. Women, pregnant women that are in their early stages, please take your time to what? Rest. Do not ignore it. So finally, if you are pregnant, congratulations. You are in your first trimester, second trimester, third trimester. These things that I've listed in this video will what? Help you, and you will go a very, very long way with it. You will carry to term and you will give birth. You will deliver, and what you will have a very smooth birth. Now, this channel is for every mother. Do not ignore this channel. If you have not been watching of my videos, you are really doing yourself a lot of harm than good that you don't know. And if you have not subscribed, that is one thing you are what doing yourself. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share what works for you. You might want to give me or what share your experience with me. I might just what make a video with it and tell you how to go about it. Subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Daddy say bye.